And grief can be a hard emotion to process, especially for children. That's where Cork's Place comes in to assist these kids and their families after the loss of a loved one.
And starting in April, they're starting a new workshop to serve hundreds more families, something that Dr. William Waters says is much needed in our region.
Kids are perfect human beings, in my mind, hearts of gold, and it's our responsibility to, as a community, be able to provide.
Come April, Cork's Place will expand its offerings to help grieving families and their children who might have a hard time coping with loss.
Provide them with opportunities to learn about grief, ways to be able to cope with grief, express emotion, and be able to plan out and map out next parts of life.
Dr. William Waters says they're opening up one-day workshops on the weekends and a 4-week program. They're also relocating Cork's Place to a part of their Kennewick building. Prior to this, Cork's Place only offered year-long programs.
And what that means is we're going to be able to serve more. Our community has been asking us for this, asking us for coping skills and ways to be able to help their children. Grief-based services in Tri-Cities are extremely needed.
Because of this, Dr. Waters says people often seek a licensed therapist for help, but they have long wait lists.
Grief is not a mental health issue. It's something that we all go through, but oftentimes we try to go to a therapist for that, when what they can do is come to these peer-run groups. They can get in with us very quick.
The groups are offered for children 3 to 17 years old, along with their parents or caregivers.
Having peers that have had death losses as well provides an opportunity for kids to relate and be able to talk about that, feel safe.
And unlike a therapist, Cork's Place is free. Dr. Waters encourages parents whose children who have experienced a loss to seek help, even if their child seems okay.
Again, these new programs begin in April, but registration opens tomorrow for both workshops. You can find the link to sign up on our website, yaktrinews.com.